Hey, what's up, XRP holders? This is XRP price predication, and let's me check it out. The change of this XRP cryptocurrency. You can check it out here. You can check it out here. The change of XRP 0.69. This is very bad change. You can check it out 0.69. This is absolutely bad. But if you can check it out, the profit of high ranges, you can check it out 0.5096. This is absolutely good. This is absolutely good. And today I target to they cross $1. I think they cross $1. They cross $1. But if they are start losing like this type, then I don't say to they continue 0.5096 dollar. But if you can check it out, the last 2 hours result, last 2 hours they are also lasting very high level. You can check it out. The changes of this is absolutely very high change, and they're lasting down. I think this is absolutely buying time. This is bad time for XRP holders. But I hope to tomorrow or 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. they can change the time, and the XRP holders are happy. But this time not a celebration time for XRP holders. I am also very lasting. I'm very sad for this change to what is this. But what I do, nothing to do. But please just wait for a good time for XRP and enjoy this time. Okay, so subscribe every stake channel for latest update, and also press the bell icon for new video notification. Please take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.